Presenting the Dodge 2019 Charger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth sport seat, destroyer grey clear coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, STD, quick order package 29 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique Dodge grille badge gloss black IP cluster trim rings satin black Charger decklet badge black one-piece performance spoiler engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, FFV, and tires, P245/45R20 BSW as performance. If you are looking for a new